There's no great trick to applying sanding seal, it's really just paint it on. As I said, that'll seal that colour coat in, and then we can follow up with some clear gloss coats. So I'll let that dry and then do the back and sides, but that's basically what you do. You apply it with a brush, try and get it on nice and evenly. We'll give that a light sand once it's dried, and then we'll start applying some top coats. Okay, so I've let that sanding sealer dry overnight. Hopefully you can see that on the camera. There's a thin film of sanding sealer on the top of the guitar there. So sanding sealer, it hardens to an almost powder-like substance, so it doesn't require a heavy grit sandpaper to sand flat or anything like that. So I'm going to sand this back using a 320 grit paper and then a 400. You could take this up to 600 if you like. That's really all there is to it. So hold up the guitar and inspect. You can see it's taken on that powdery surface look. I can't see any shiny spots at this stage, so I think I'll be right to move on to the finer grit. But that's really the process. So just start with about a 320 grit, work your way up to 400. And as I said, you can take it to 600 if you like, but I've often found that's unnecessary.